Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential tools in Windows 10, File Explorer. If you've ever needed to find, organize, or manage your files, chances are you've used File Explorer. Let's take a complete tour and explore all it has to offer. So what is File Explorer? File Explorer, previously known as Windows Explorer, is the built-in file management tool in Windows 10. It's your go-to app for navigating folders, accessing files, and managing storage devices. Think of it as your computer's filing cabinet, except this one doesn't get jammed. Opening File Explorer is easy. On the lower left-hand corner of the screen in the taskbar, you'll see a folder icon on it. Just click on that, and once it's open, you'll see the main interface where all the magic happens. Let's break down the main parts of File Explorer. On the left, you'll find quick access to your most used folders like desktop, documents, and downloads. At the top, there's a toolbar with options to copy, paste, delete, or rename files. The main area shows the contents of the folder you're currently in. Here's where you'll find your files, folders, and the occasional, "Hey, where did I save that?" moment. And located at the top is called the address bar, and this shows your current folder path, and it lets you navigate to other locations. Once you're familiar with these, you'll be navigating like a pro, or at least like someone who knows where their photos are. File Explorer makes it easy to manage your files. Here are some basics. To create a new folder, just right-click inside a folder or in the white area and select New, and then click Folder. Name it whatever you want and then hit Enter. You can drag and drop to move files or use copy and paste for duplication. If you wanted to move the computer folder to the desktop instead of the documents folder, you can click on the folder and drag it over to desktop, or you can simply right-click, select Cut, and go to the desktop and right-click and select Paste. And finally, you can search for files or folders using the search bar in the top right-hand corner to quickly find files by name or keyword. It's like Google, but for your hard drive. File Explorer has some powerful tools for advanced users. Enable the preview pane to view a file's content without opening it. Perfect for quickly checking photos or documents. It's like peeking inside a gift box without tearing the wrapping paper. This is a nice feature if you don't want to open the file itself. You can sort the files and folders that you have in File Explorer by clicking on the column headers like name, date modified, or size to sort your files. Personally, I have used name and date modified the most. This is really helpful to find, let's say, the last thing you're working on. Next, you can access network locations. If you're connected to a network, you can access shared folders or drives directly from File Explorer. These features are great for streamlining your workflow and staying organized. And let's be honest, who doesn't need a little extra organization in their lives? I know I do. Make File Explorer work for you by customizing it. Use the View tab to switch between icons, details, and list views. It's like changing your computer's outfit for the day. You can also pin favorites. You can do this by right-clicking on a frequently used folder and select Pin to Quick Access. It's like bookmarking, but for folders. A little customization can make a big difference in how you use File Explorer. It's all about making it your own. If File Explorer is acting up, here are some quick fixes. You can open the Task Manager, find Windows Explorer in the list, right-click on it, and select Restart. Or in the View tab, click Options, then Clear File Explorer History. It's kind of like cleaning out your browser history. Another thing you can do is run Windows updates. Sometimes Windows Update can fix bugs and improve performance. When in doubt, restarting or clearing your history can solve most issues. And that's your complete guide to File Explorer in Windows 10. Whether you're organizing files, troubleshooting, or customizing your setup, File Explorer is a powerful tool at your disposal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Have questions? Drop them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.